What's up, my stylish people? This is that time of the year, Zara sale time. As always, and as I promised, I have come up with this Zara Shop My Wish list. In case if any one of you guys are new to this series, in this series I'm gonna quickly go through few of my favorite options along with the main focus on the category of clothing you should target during the sale time in order to help you shop smart. Having said that, I will start the categories with my most favorite to least favorite, and the first and foremost category I would target would be accessories. Of course, in specific, my first target would be chains and bracelets because Zara is best in class when it comes to accessories, and in specific for chains and bracelets for men. Most of my chain collection you guys always ask me is from Zara, and I generally buy them the moment they release and end up paying full price of rupees 1790. However, you can get them for a price point of below 1000 rupees during this sale, and they would be the first ones to run out of stock. So don't miss them at any cost, guys. Next up would be the crossbody bags, as Zara offers great discounts on the bags that are actually designed taking a cue from the designer brands as per the current trends, but you can find at a super value price points during the sale time. Moving on to the next category you should target, it would be the jeans. This is my favorite clothing category when it comes to Zara, as they are simply one of the best, and it would be a great deal if you find any basic skinny jeans or basic slim fit jeans on discount, but I highly doubt that, but there is a possibility sometimes, at least in a limited quantities. I always buy ripped jeans from Zara which don't have any fade to them during sale times at a crazy price points of 1200 to 1500. Anything more than that, it may not be super useful because ripped jeans often they are not super versatile as the normal jeans. If I have to say the versatility of Zara jeans collection, you name the fit of the jeans, Zara have got you covered. As simple as that. Moving on to the next category, which would be shoes. Few of you might have different opinions with this being my favorite, as the perception comes into play that specialized footwear brands provide you the best quality and comfortable options. That's partially true to an extent, but Zara is the prime destination for an awesome choice of designs in specific with optimum comfort for footwear. I would go for their retro sneakers, knitted high tops, chunky boots, as well as color blocked high top sneakers, as I have my bases covered with the other essential sneakers. I also like their formal shoes as well, which would be the leather tassel loafers as well as leather lace ups, which are generally priced at 7000 to 8000 rupees, but during the sale time you can get them at a price point of 3500 to 4000. Considering the quality of the leather, I think that's a great deal. Moving on to the next category, and then most important category, it would be the overshirts or shirt jackets. As the shirt jackets were in trend since quite some time and will be there for quite some time too, I'm a big fan of Zara denim as well as flannel overshirts, but they do have them in different material compositions as well, so feel free to check them out using the links in the description below, where I'm gonna link few of my favorites. That takes me to the next category, it would be jackets. As is the case with denims, denim jackets, and in specific basic denim jackets should be the ones you need to target for. They release them every single season without any major changes to them, so you will be always having something that is timeless in your wardrobe. After that, I would go for bomber jackets, as of course I love them, but there are printed and other kind of options which few of you might favorite, but not exactly to my liking. It's up to you guys. The next category I would target would be tracksuit sets. Yes, you heard it right. I love the tracksuit sets, and I'm looking forward to buy this season offerings in terms of the colors. As a set, they are priced close to 6k, which I feel for a tracksuit set, it's a very higher price points to ask for. But if you get them close to 2.5 to 3k on discount, it's a must buy because I have them in different colorways and they're super durable, guys. Moving on to the next category, it would be the trousers. In line with the jeans, you name the fit, Zara got you covered with the trousers as well. However, I am really disappointed this season as they haven't released their Traveler series pants. But my favorite would be super skinny pants in black and white color, which they release every single season and never go out of style. They are supremely comfortable and also long lasting. Generally they would be priced at 4500 rupees, but this is the time you can get at any price points close to 2000 rupees. And also I would go for slim fit or skinny fit colored chinos, and also their wide fit technical material cargo pants. The next category, and the category you must be waiting for, it would be the shirts. This is the category which I would love not to hate, but I simply can't because of how they are priced. Most of the fits would be relaxed fit and with the super trendy designs, and for the price points they charge, even after discount, I feel that they are not worth. However, there are few options they are worth considering during the sale time. That would be the solid color shirts. When it comes to slim fit, they fit you absolutely well, and of course I like the checker shirts along with their basic denim shirts. Yes, we tend to incline towards the printed shirts because of how good the prints are, but on a longer run and on top of the incremental sale policy you're gonna see, I don't think so they are worth waiting 6 months and spending during the sale time. Rather, you can go for the newer prints that they're gonna release within a couple of months. Moving on to the next category, it would be the t-shirts. Anything basic or tie-dye or subtler prints, I will be on it, and so can be you. Too much relaxed or graphic prints are not my vibe, and I would stay away from them, and it's up to you according to your preference, guys. The next category would be the winter wear. This is the best time, guys, to buy winter wear as they will be heavily discounted, and in the next 3 to 4 months you can put them in use. As simple as that. I would specially opt for basic hoodies, high quality knitwear that Zara offers, and also the trench coats. I would be happy if you guys can leave a quick thumbs up and also drop down a comment which category you are gonna target during the Zara sale time in 2021. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's it for me. See you in my next one.